Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Authenticator on desktop Windows PC. Alright, let's begin. First, open your browser and search for a Google Authenticator solution for PC. Since the official app is not available on Windows, you need to use an alternative like an Authenticator extension. Open this link, click on Add to Chrome, and then select Add Extension to install it on your browser. Once the extension is installed, open it to access the Authenticator interface. You will see options to add a new account. Click the plus icon, where you can choose between scanning a QR code, entering a setup key manually, or importing a QR image. To transfer your existing codes from your phone, export them as QR code and send that image to your PC. Then open the extension, select the import option, and upload the QR image. Your authentication codes will instantly appear inside the extension, ready to use. So that's basically how you can use Google Authenticator on desktop Windows PC. That's it for this video. Thanks.